Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, dear student. Our task for the level 1 today is how we read sukun letter. As we know that we have 3 voices or 4 voices of harakat. Those are harakat. In Arabic we said harakat, and in English they said voices. So we have fatha, kasra, dhamma, and sukun. So our task today, how we read sukun letter. That the fatha, we know that a, e, o, fatha is a, kasra is e, dhamma is o, but sukun we don't know. Today we will know. Sukun letter we cannot read it alone, so that's why always we need something before it. So imagine there's letter here, and the sukun letter will be in this letter. For example, to make it clear, for example, we have sa followed by letter, for example, ba, or ta, or na, or whatever. So how, and the sin has fatha, and ta has sukun. In this case, you're not able to read sukun alone, so you need to pronounce it with sin. So sat, like this. So let us start from the scratch. We have alif as standard shape. Maybe make it clear with this. We have standard shape alif, but we have this one. We'll come back to it. We have this one, and we have this one. Last lessons, we know how we pronounce this a, e, o. What about if there is alif has hamza, then on the hamza is sukun? How you gonna read this? You will not be able to, at least there's something here. So you're gonna say, for example, a, or I, or o. So that is the voice. What you need to know is the sukun letter, you cannot read it alone, you need something before it. I know the hamza with sukun, or the hamza itself is difficult for non-Arabic speaker, but still you need you know how you read it from the deeply throat in this voice, and try to make it clear without without tafkhim, no heavy, not no. E, I, U, I, U, and this short not this fatha, I, not I, no mad, O, not O. When there is no alif here, there is no ya here, there is no waw here, so the voice will be I, O. That's it. Okay. So let us come to the ba. For example, we take ba, and we try to make ba in the beginning, followed by ba at the end. It will be like this. Ba in the beginning, and this ba in the end. Imagine there is ba with fatha and ba with sukun. How you pronounce this voice here, this word? not word yet, but two letters. But how you pronounce? Give me the voice. Bab. Repeat. Bab. And what about this one? Ba in the beginning, followed by ba at the end, will be bib. Bib. What about this one? Ba in the beginning, followed by ba. It will be bob. So bab, bib, bob. Don't give any other thing. In the Quran pronounce, you will add something to the ba when has sukun. That's something called qalqala. Kalkala. How you spell it? Kalkala. This is the word. Kalkala. That is for the Quran. So because we are prepare this for our recitation in Quran, so whenever sukun, whenever ba has sukun, you're gonna pronounce it with qalqala, like this. Bab, bib, bub. The second one. Let me give another color for it. So we're talking about this one. The first one would be ba, fatha, just ba. But this one, when you pronounce it, will be with qalqala. Bab, bib, bub. Okay? Let me go show you how you pronounce ta with sukun. Imagine there's ta here. As we know, this is standard shape always in this side. Ta, two dot, followed by ta has sukun. It will be tat. What about this one? It will be tit. Oh, I try to make it on the line. Yeah. Tit. Finally, will be tut. Tut. And always remember, maybe the letter before the sukun has any apply any. For example, bring the ba here. It will be bat, bit, put. The idea about behind that is sukun letter cannot be pronounced alone. You need something before it. What about if we have tha? So it will be sath. Always remember that the tha, you need to put your tongue between your teeth. So sath, fifth, fifth, and finally thoth. Probably. Thoth. Okay. So if we come to this, we're gonna say a, e, o, and we need something before that. Will be either a or I or o. It depends on what letter before it. So we keep the alif for this lesson. We maybe later on, after when we finish all the letter, we I will do a special lesson for the alif, all the alif pronouns and what is behind regarding to the alif. It will be in separate lesson. But today I would like if you just focus from the ba, ta, tha in this lesson. So it will be bab, bib, bob. This is the normal pronouns, but because ba from the qalqala letters. So we're gonna give her qalqala in these pronouns like this. Bab, bib, bob, bab, bib, bob. The sukun or qalqala with sukun will be with qalqala. Ba with sukun should have has qalqala. Ta, tat, tit, tot, tha, thath, thith, thoth. Okay, I hope this lesson is clear, and see you inshallah next lesson. مع السلامة.